You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much we have to do. Find a girl, settle down. I am, but I'm happy. Once that you are down, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something went on. Take your time, think a lot. I think of everything you got. We'll still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. It's not time to make a change. Sit down, take it slow. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to do. Settle down. I am old, but I'm happy.
Try and find time to be with them, especially on weekends. It is at 2:32 p.m. already. Let's check out our Eagle FM fan page right now. Let's see what's going on in there. I'm sure we have messages coming in from our listeners, okay? Let's check out our fan page. It says here, hi Richard, asking for a song if you can play this. I hope you can. It's Vin Malapitan of Alitagtag in Batangas. Nice to know that you guys are doing good back there. Alright, stay safe please. While back in the Sarah is listening, I just arrived from grocery store. Music keeps me going, Richard. Thank you. Our friends in Romar, Sari, thank you very much. We also got a message that says hello to all the members of the Orphanage and Rights family in the battlefields of the Mission happy and joyful, just enjoying the program. Thank you very much. Brain of Caloocan City. Also, we have Yolanda Baleares. Hi, Richard. Good afternoon to all the listeners. And also to Josefina Aviola and the members of their clan. Thank you very much for locking it in. This is Eagle FM 95.5 for the classic hits. Never end. OPM time. Let's go back in time to 1983. This is Jingle and Danny. Upot at Ulan. Coming up next, we have Benito from 1990.
Mabuti ba ang namin kasama paggabi? Mabuti pa